Ministry of Information and Broadcasting amadi National Film Development Corporation aniki meeting makada Kumja ilisingani kunmari dagi hauna chatharakpa North East Film Festival ge ahumlak suba tangkak ngashi houdokkhre thauna Manipur na sinduna lamfel da leiba tanta police ta ngashi amade hayeng numit ni chupna chathagadaba North East Film Festival houdokpagi thoram aduda Manipur University of Culture gi Vice Chancellor Professor Pauna Gunindro amade DIPR gi Additional Director T Ramesh Anina President member oina saruk yakhe amade thauram aduga mari lainana Professor Pauna Gunindro na haikibda hauzik oirakliba ahongba kaya asida leibak asigi top pa masagi culture chanabe leizaba North East Thangba state singda film puthokliba singna matam gi oiba social cultural life amade society ga mari lainaba masak matau sing utpa changi masina leibak asimak natana malemda North East state sing asibu masak takpada achoba thongdang oigani amade North East state singi oiba tongan ba feature amade 9 future film 9 utuna pangthokadoriba festival asigi taida tongan ba makhagi film singi oinasu festival pangthok hanibagi apamba wafam kaya su phongdokhi
North East ki asigumba culture dabu hairi the society social structure the hari society the hari masi punam ase masi khangma matam stisa masi khangna ba amasung mayam outside the high North East India gi wangmada amadi outside the country nation si wangmada global da masi masak tapada asuma film sing asina yam so thodam muldogi haine